Okay, this is June 16th, 2018, Monticello College, and these are the 2000 block that we made last week, and that's the machine we used right there. And today we are screening at 6 a.m. We're screening more material to make more block. And so this is kind of the process. Here they're pulling it back so we can get more in on the screen. This is the rubble from the screening process. Over here, we're bringing in a new load, and over here we have our pit that we're pulling this material out of. So this is block being made right on site with our own material. This is a pretty good size hole we've got going here. And we're trying to make, depending on the size of block that we end up using, somewhere between 12,000 and 17,000 block. And I think they're doing something funny here, so we'll see what's going on. So here they are doing nothing. I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh my gosh. All right, well, when life gets tough, rub some dirt on it.